Oh, hello, chap. What have you got there?
Oh, these are crimpers for siding and a siding tool.
Oh, sounds exciting. Maybe I should come and help.
You might want to just stay there and sit and drink your tea. You don't want to hurt yourself.
Oh, you're quite right. Jolly good plan.
Hey folks, thanks for joining me today. I want to introduce you to a couple tools that are essential when doing some siding projects. Alright friends, so here we have a set of crimpers. They produce a crimped edge or a little crimp in siding. Now these are for when you're using termination or dual undersill. So that dual undersill has a lip, and then if you put a crimp in that siding, it'll lock in there and hold it tight. Therefore, at the end of your wall, like the top of the wall, or I've also used it underneath windows, and I've also used it where you might have a step in the siding to where this lower part you're having starter and then it jumps up, and now you have like a half piece in order for those lines to match up. Well, this piece that's jumped up, you don't want to leave it just hanging, so you crimp that siding and use dual undersill and have it lock in. This piece, this tool is called a side swiper 2 siding removal tool. It's just called a siding tool is what I call it. It's got a little hook and a handle. That's basically it. It's meant to go up underneath the siding and then release that hook from the previous piece, the piece underneath it, and so you can take that one piece loose. It's really good for if you have to replace a piece of siding. Say something happened, a rock shot from a lawnmower, made a hole in your vinyl siding, and now you have to remove that piece, but you don't want to take the whole wall down, so you can take your siding removal tool, put it up underneath the piece above it, unzip it basically, then take the nails out of that piece, replace that piece, and then lock underneath the piece above it and zip back that piece on. So there you go, folks. This is a siding removal tool. This is a siding crimper. Very effective tools and very necessary when you're using vinyl siding. So thanks so much for watching, folks. Thanks so much for the view. Remember to work hard because hard work is its own reward. And thanks for watching.